Artificial intelligence course for beginner by knowledge and information. In this video we are discussing about AI applications. AI applications. AI, artificial intelligence, is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to revolutionize many areas of our lives. Here are some of the most common AI applications. 1. Image and speech recognition. AI technology is used in image and speech recognition software to identify and classify objects, faces, and speech patterns. This technology is used in facial recognition software, voice assistants, and image search engines. 2. Natural language processing. AI technology is used in natural language processing to understand and interpret human language. This technology is used in chatbots, language translation software, and virtual assistants. 3. Robotics. AI technology is used in robotics to create intelligent machines that can perform tasks that are difficult or dangerous for humans. This technology is used in manufacturing, healthcare, and transportation. 4. Autonomous vehicles. AI technology is used in autonomous vehicles to enable them to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate roads without human intervention. This technology is used in self-driving cars, drones, and other autonomous vehicles. AI technology is used in autonomous vehicles to improve safety and navigation. This technology can analyze data from sensors and cameras to detect obstacles and optimize routes, improving the overall driving experience. 5. Predictive Analytics. AI technology is used in predictive analytics to analyze data and make predictions about future events. This technology is used in financial forecasting, marketing, and customer behavior analysis. 6. Healthcare. AI technology is used in healthcare to help doctors diagnose diseases, analyze medical images, and develop personalized treatment plans. This technology is used in medical research, patient monitoring, and drug discovery. AI technology is used in healthcare to improve patient outcomes and reduce costs. This technology can analyze patient data to identify patterns and make predictions about disease progression, and help with medical diagnosis and treatment plans. 7. Cybersecurity. AI technology is used in cybersecurity to detect and prevent cyber attacks. This technology is used in threat detection, vulnerability analysis, and anomaly detection. This technology can analyze data from network traffic to identify potential threats and improve overall network security. 8. Gaming. AI technology is used in gaming to create intelligent agents that can play games like chess, Go, and poker at a high level. This technology is also used to create more realistic and challenging opponents in video games. 9. Education. AI technology is used in education to personalize learning experiences and improve student outcomes for students. This technology can analyze student data to identify areas where they may need extra help, and create customized learning plans to help them improve. 10. Agriculture. AI technology is used in agriculture to improve and optimize crop yields and reduce waste. This technology can analyze data from sensors and drones to optimize irrigation, fertilizer use, and pest control and other sources to identify areas where crop growth can be optimized and to predict weather patterns to help farmers make informed decisions. 11. Energy management. AI technology is used in energy management to optimize the use of energy resources. This technology can analyze data from smart meters and other sensors to identify patterns and optimize energy use. 12. Finance. AI technology is used in finance to detect fraud, analyze risks, and automate trading. This technology can analyze large amounts of financial data to identify patterns and make predictions about future market trends. AI technology is used in finance to improve investment decisions and risk management. This technology can analyze financial data to identify trends and make predictions about market performance, improving the overall financial decision-making process. 13. Environmental monitoring. AI technology is used in environmental monitoring to analyze data from sensors and satellites to track changes in the environment. This technology can help identify areas where conservation efforts are needed and monitor the impact of human activities on the environment. This technology can analyze data from sensors and other sources to track changes in air and water quality, predict natural disasters, and monitor wildlife populations. 14. Retail. AI technology is used in retail to improve customer experiences and optimize sales. This technology can analyze customer data to personalize recommendations, optimize pricing, and improve inventory management. This technology can analyze customer data to provide personalized product recommendations and to optimize inventory management, reducing waste and improving profits. 15. Supply chain management. AI technology is used in supply chain management to optimize logistics and reduce costs. This technology can analyze data from sensors and other sources to optimize shipping routes, manage inventory, and improve delivery times. 16. Human resources. AI technology is used in human resources to automate tasks like resume screening and candidate selection. This technology can also help identify skill gaps in the workforce and create customized training plans to help employees improve. 17. Social media. AI technology is used in social media to analyze user behavior and create personalized content recommendations. This technology can also be used to identify and remove inappropriate content, and to monitor social media conversations for brand reputation management. 18. Real estate. AI technology is used in real estate to analyze market data and make predictions about property values. This technology can also be used to create virtual tours of properties and assist with property management tasks. 19. Customer service. AI technology is used in customer service to provide personalized support and improve response times. This technology can analyze customer data to anticipate their needs and preferences, and provide instant assistance through chatbots or voice assistants. 20. Smart homes. AI technology is used in smart homes to automate tasks like controlling lights, temperature, and appliances. This technology can also learn from user behavior to make recommendations for energy savings and improve overall home automation. 21. Advertising. AI technology is used in advertising to personalize ads and improve targeting. This technology can analyze data from user behavior and demographics to create customized ads that are more likely to resonate with their audience. 22. Legal services. AI technology is used in legal services to assist with tasks like document review and legal research. This technology can analyze large amounts of legal data to help lawyers prepare cases and make informed decisions. 23. Transportation. AI technology is used in transportation to improve safety and efficiency. This technology can analyze traffic patterns and predict accidents, optimize traffic flow, and improve navigation systems. 24. Entertainment. AI technology is used in entertainment to create personalized recommendations for movies, TV shows, and music. This technology can analyze user data to suggest content that is more likely to be enjoyed by the viewer. 25. Sports. AI technology is used in sports to analyze player data and improve performance. This technology can analyze data from sensors and cameras to identify areas where players can improve their technique and prevent injuries. 26. Construction. AI technology is used in construction to optimize building design and improve safety. This technology can analyze data from sensors to improve construction workflows and detect potential safety hazards. 27. Waste management. AI technology is used in waste management to optimize collection routes and reduce waste. This technology can analyze data from sensors and other sources to identify areas where waste can be reduced and recycling can be improved. 28. Manufacturing. AI technology is used in manufacturing to improve productivity and quality control. This technology can analyze data from sensors and other sources to identify areas where production can be optimized and defects can be detected. 29. Logistics. AI technology is used in logistics to optimize supply chain management and reduce costs. This technology can analyze data from sensors and other sources to optimize inventory management, transportation routes, and delivery times. 30. Aviation. AI technology is used in aviation to improve safety and efficiency. This technology can analyze data from sensors and cameras to detect potential safety hazards and optimize flight routes, improving the overall flying experience. 31. Military. AI technology is used in military operations to improve intelligence gathering and decision making. This technology can analyze data from sensors and other sources to provide real-time intelligence and improve tactical decision making. 32. Energy. AI technology is used in the energy industry to optimize energy production and reduce costs. This technology can analyze data from sensors and other sources to identify areas where energy efficiency can be improved, and to predict energy consumption patterns to help companies make informed decisions. In next video, we will discuss about part 2, AI ethics and future of AI ethics. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.